In this video, you will see how to write fifth in Word document. You may have difficulty in writing this th as a superscript. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, type 5th, then select th, and you will see here the option x square, which is a superscript option. After clicking on this icon, the th will go to the superscript. There is one more method. Click on the insert and click on equation. You will see here script. Select the first option. In the first box type 5, in the second box type th. Now the keyboard shortcuts. Select th. On Windows, press Ctrl Shift equal to or press Command Shift equal to on Mac computers. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen and don't forget to like and subscribe.